On this video today, I'm going to show you the simplest way that you can use to make money with ChatGPT. This method is one of the best methods that you can use to make money as a complete beginner without any skills, without any experience. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. In my previous video, I showed you how to get access to ChatGPT. So I'm going to take you through the steps again. What you have to do is that you have to search for OpenAI. Once you search for OpenAI, you are going to see a page like this. So to get access to ChatGPT, what you have to do is that you have to scroll down and then click right here, try ChatGPT. Once you click on that, you are going to create your free accounts and then log in. Once you log in, the interface is going to look like this. So now you can use this particular AI to do a lot of things. But before I show you how to make money with this particular tool, let me explain to you what it is. ChatGPT is a conversation bot that is capable of responding to questions with high accuracy, just like humans. So you can use this particular bot to answer any question that you want. For example, if I'm a beginner who wants to make money online, I can just ask ChatGPT to show me the guidelines. So let me just type how to make money online, just something like this. Once you type your question and then click right here, search, it is going to show you the guidelines that you can use to make money online. You can see it is telling me a number of steps that I can take to make money online from home. You can see a whole lot of different things. It is generating them for me just like that. So this particular tool is one of the best that you can ever use to do a lot of things. As you can see, it has generated 6 different ways that I can use to make money online from home. You can see them right here. If you are not okay with the response, you can click right here, regenerate, and it's going to generate different ways that you can use to make money online from home. Apart from that, you can also use this particular bot to create a simple software that you can use for your needs. For example, I can just type make me a PHP to generate business names. So if you want a software to generate business names, you can just type it like this, make me a PHP to generate business names. Once you type something like this, it is going to create a simple software for you that you can use to generate business names. Let me just click right here, search. You can see that it's going to generate a code for me. As you can see, it is creating a software for me. You can see it. This is the code. You can see everything. As you can see, it is generating the code. You can see everything. As you can see, it is generating the code. You can see it has generated a software for me. So what I have to do is that just click right here, copy code, so that you can embed it on your website. Once you embed it, you can use this particular software to generate business names. So if you want any software, you are going to make your request right here, and this tool is going to generate the software for you. It's just simple as that. So now what we are going to do is that we are now going to use the power of this tool to make money online the simplest way. So the next step is that you are going to come on this website, Fiverr.com. This website is a freelance website where people sell their services. If you have any service that you can render, you can just come on this website, click right here, become a seller, so that you can create your free accounts and start selling your services. Services like translation, article writing, email writing. You can see right here website design, WordPress design. You can see logo design, video editing. Just think of any services that you can render. You can come on this website, create an account, and people are going to be hiring you. So one of the simple services that you can render on this website is writing. So we are not going to do the work by ourselves. We are going to be using ChatGPT to do the work. So just type something like write email, or you can say write content. So just say write email. Once you click on write email, you can see many people who are selling this service. You can see a whole lot of them. You can see this person right here is charging $100 as starting price. This person is charging $45. This one is charging $15. As a school, you can see many people who are selling these services to make money from home. You can see this one $5. You can see $150. You can see $100. You can see this person is even charging a very high fee. You can see $375. So it depends on the amount that you want to charge. As a school, you can see many people who are selling this kind of service. So let me just use one of them to show you the amount that some people are making with this kind of service. So let's click this one right here. So once you open the gig, you can see that this person is charging $200 as starting price. When you come to the standard package, the fellow is charging $230. You can see premium package, the fellow is charging $255. And you can see right now the fellow has one order in queue. So it means he can make up to $200 a day with this kind of service. You see, 1 times 200 is going to give you 200, and then 1 times 255 is going to give you 255. So assuming this order is in the premium package, this person is going to earn $255 today. If the order is in the standard package, he's going to make $230. If it is in the basic package, he's going to be making $200 today. Apart from him, there are other people who are getting a lot of orders in a single day. Let me show you another seller. Let me just click on this one right here. Let's click on this one right here. As you can see, this person is charging very low. You can see the orders in queue now is 7. So assuming all these orders are in the basic package, we are going to multiply 7 by 20. So when you come here, you can see, so let's multiply 7 by 20. You can see this fellow can make up to $140 today if all the orders are in the basic package. When you come to the standard package, you can see the fellow is charging $60. Let's multiply 7 by 60. You can see this person can make up to $420 today. You can see the premium package, this person is charging $100. So when we multiply 7 by 100, this fellow is going to make up to $700 just today. And the good news is that you can use ChatGPT to complete these orders within 15 minutes. You can see right here, the fellow is going to write email copies. So for example, if I come on ChatGPT and then maybe the client give me an order to write email campaign for a book, a software, or whatever the product is, when you come on ChatGPT, it is going to write email copies for you. For example, I'm going to use this particular software to demonstrate for you to see. So assuming your client asks you to write email campaigns for this particular software, you can just come on ChatGPT and it's going to write the email copies for you. Let me demonstrate it for you to see. So just click on new chat. Once you click on new chat, you are going to tell ChatGPT what it should do. So for example, we are going to write email copy. So you are going to type write email sequence, or you can say email copy. So let's say email copies for, then you are going to type the product name. So assuming your client asks you to write email copies for this software, click up, you are going to type the name right here. If it is a book, you are going to type the name right here. Any kind of product, you are going to write the name right here. In our case, we are using ClickUp, so just type ClickUp. Once you type ClickUp, click right here search so that it can write the emails for you. You can see right here, it is going to write the emails for you. You can see the subject line. You can see this is the body of the email that it is writing. You can see that it is writing everything. You can see it is writing the second email copy. You can see it right here. So we now have 2 emails that we can give to our client. As you can see, that has been done. It is going to write the 3rd email. So it's going to write a lot of email copies that we can send to our client. As you can see, it is writing it. You can see it has finished writing. So it has written 3 email copies. So assuming your client asks you to write more than that, you can just type add more and it's going to generate many other email copies. So once you type add more, you can see it's going to write the 4th one. You can see right here. So you can generate a lot of different email copies and then send to your client so that you can be making money from home. You can see everything. You can see the 5th one. As you can see, we now have 5 email copies. You can see the 5th one. So you can highlight and copy everything and then come back on Fiverr. Once you come back on Fiverr, you are going to submit it to your client. That is one way that you can use the tool to make money. You can also render translation services on this website to make money. So you can see a lot of data about translation. As you can see everything. You can see many people who are doing translation. When you come on ChatGPT, it can translate text for you. For example, let's copy this one. Once you copy it, just instruct it, translate this text to, you can say German to German, just something like this. Translate this text to German. Then you are going to paste your text right here. Once you paste your text, just instruct it and it's going to translate it for you. You can see it is translating the text to German. So you can use the tool to do translation and you are going to be making money on Fiverr. Apart from that, you can also use it to generate articles. You can use it to generate book outline. You can use it to generate a lot of different things that you can sell on Fiverr. So what you have to do is that you have to click right here, become a seller. Once you click on it, you are going to create an account. You can sell up to 5 gigs on Fiverr. So you can do translation, email writing, article writing, content outline at the same time, and all those services you can use ChatGPT to generate them for you. So make sure you create an account on Fiverr and then use the tool to make money from home wherever you are in the world. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.